Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more public works projects in Animal Crossing. New Leaf. To unlock new projects, you'll need to rely on your animal villagers. They are the primary source for new ideas and suggestions for improving your town. Understanding this mechanic is crucial for expanding your town's features and making it truly unique. The main way to get new projects is by having a villager approach you with an idea. This usually happens when they run up to you and initiate a conversation. They might say something like, "I was just thinking," or "I have a great idea for the town." It's important to engage with them when they do this. To increase your chances of getting project suggestions, try to build strong friendships with your villagers. Talk to them often, send letters, and fulfill their requests. Also, spend a good amount of time in your town, especially during the hours when villagers are most active, typically between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. Remember, you can only have one public works project under construction at any given time. Once a project is suggested, you can choose to build it or decline. Your town can hold a maximum of 30 public works projects, so choose wisely to create the perfect layout for your Animal Crossing New Leaf experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.